Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to transparent a layer opacity in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Select file option and open your PDF file. I have already opened this PDF file. At this right sidebar, click on this arrow and this layer option, click here. Now click here this import option, layer option and select import as layer and this layer dialog box and select your browse option and upload your layer and insert this layer. Now select open and this layer opposite option, you can make it transparent and I'll make it absolute size and select OK. Also you can change your targeted page position and select OK. Oh, layer name type here and see this layer now insert it and make it transparent already. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.